Coming up in this Brightline construction update, this special update looks at the grand opening of the new stations in Boca Raton and Aventura on December 20th, 2022. These two new stations are part of Brightline's Phase 1 operation, currently running in South Florida, with existing stations in West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Miami. We'll start at the Boca Raton station. The Boca Raton station was the first station of the day to have the ribbon cutting. This station is 22,000 square feet, located in downtown Boca Raton, near the Downtown Library and Meisner Park shopping complex. The ribbon cutting ceremony was well attended by media, local dignitaries, and other invited guests.
How about a brand new train station for the holidays? Today is a great day, a bright day. Welcome to the new Boca Raton Brightline station. So today, Boca and Aventura. Next year, Orlando.
Thank you, Patrick. Good morning, Boca Raton. I'm Mayor Scott Singer, and we've been talking about this for years, about what a game changer Brightline would be for our community, for our residents and businesses. And I think the massive attention we have for ribbon cutting demonstrates that a little bit further, but we have more proof of that. Like Patrick, I have a lot of people to thank, and I'll start with you, Patrick. In 2019, I went down to see Patrick. I said, you need a station in Boca Raton. You're missing a key market here, and pitched them on the idea. We did tours around this area, around this city, and they saw interest there. But I don't think they comprehended the amount of interest that would be there, because Patrick was kind enough to share with me just that in the last 5 days since the website has been active, that Brightline's website has never gotten more traffic. In his words, exploded.
3, 2, 1.
Here's the station entrance on the north end of the building. Here's a look inside the Smart Lounge with the autonomous market on the right. The platform is accessed directly through the sliding doors. The building itself is long and skinny, with the premium lounge on the south end of the building. A special train was at the platform for VIPs and the ceremonial first departure. It used a single premium coach from Bright Green along with 2 locomotives. The station is opening with a single platform and a new station track. There are future plans to build a second platform on the east side of the right-of-way with a pedestrian overpass and another track. The tower on the station is in preparation for these future plans. Also opening in conjunction with the station is a new 455-spot parking garage that will be shared by Brightline passengers and patrons of the city library next door. Initial train schedules for the station are focused on the peak commuting hours, with service roughly every other hour during non-peak hours and weekends. New sidewalks and landscaping have been installed surrounding the station. Here's the special VIP train at the station platform. The rest of Bright Green is currently combined with a portion of Bright Red for use as the Polar Express. The platform at the station is the same length as those at West Palm Beach and Fort Lauderdale. Here is bright pink passing the station. At that point, the VIPs boarded the train for the first departure. The train was headed for Aventura for the ribbon cutting at that station. With the train's departure, I also made my way south to Aventura. Aventura Station is located at the northern end of Miami-Dade County, near the Aventura Mall, and is 34,000 square feet. This is the station's main entrance. The station will have a direct connection with local Metro bus routes, which will stop under this solar panel canopy. There will also be a dedicated Brightline Plus shuttle running between the station and Aventura Mall until a pedestrian overpass connecting directly to the mall is built. The ribbon cutting ceremony here was also well attended.
Since 2018, Brightline has been building a better way to move around South Florida. For us, it's not just about transportation. It's about creating an experience around transportation that will actually get people to leave their cars and take public transportation. Yesterday, it took me over an hour to get from downtown Miami to this station to check to see how progress is going. Tomorrow, it'll take about 15 minutes.
3, 2, 1.
Taking to the air, and this loop next to the front of the station will primarily be used by last mile connections. The solar canopy will provide a majority of the power required to run the station. The station is designed to meet LEED Silver design standards. This front section here is the main entrance, with the station lounges and the structure behind it. This is the pedestrian bridge connecting the station building to the island platform. The platform is split into two parts. The south end is a low-level platform for a future commuter rail service, while the north end has a high-level platform for Brightline service. The pedestrian bridge and tower are designed to eventually be split to keep commuter passengers separate from Brightline passengers, with dedicated stairs and elevators for each. The crossover on the north end of the platform is in preparation for future upgrades at the station. As service starts, the station will be serviced from a single track on the east side, with additional work still to come to shift and connect the track on the west side. Initial schedules here are also focused on the peak commuting hours, with service roughly every other hour during non-peak hours and weekends, so a single track is capable of meeting those needs. The pedestrian bridge and towers are open-air structures. There is still work being completed, but that does not prevent them from being used by passengers. Here is Bright Red 2 passing southbound. Brightline's marketing team has made it well known to people stuck in traffic next to the tracks on Biscayne Boulevard that an alternative is now available. You can see some of the finishing touches being completed here. Now we'll shift inside, starting at the entrance. There are 3 kiosks for purchasing tickets and checking baggage, followed by the entrance gates. Baggage will then be run through the X-ray machine, and passengers pass through the security pillars. We're now in the Smart Lounge. This is where most passengers will gather while waiting to board their train. The seats all feature power plugs, and there is high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the station. Premium service passengers will have access to the Premium Lounge, which includes complimentary beverages and snacks, along with dedicated seating. The station also features an autonomous market, where after scanning your credit card to enter, you simply pick up whatever you want to purchase and just walk out. The system tracks what you take and charges you accordingly. Here's a walk across the pedestrian bridge. This view is actually walking from the platform tower back to the station. And here's the platform with the single car VIP train loading. With the VIPs on board, it was time for the first departure from the station to Miami Central. It is about a 15-minute ride from here to downtown Miami. The turnout here will eventually be installed in the Western Main Line to provide access to the other side of the platform. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.